Hi, good morning, everybody. Today is I want to would like to talk about early symptoms COVID-19 in children. So the early symptoms for the children are fever, cough, tiredness, sore throat, headache, and gastrointestinal symptoms like loose motion, vomiting, and some children will have the loss of smell, loss of appetite. These are the symptoms early we can pick up for the children's, and these symptoms associate for sometimes children will have 3-4 days, and after 3-4 days we can go through some blood investigation, so it will be confirmed that children are having some COVID issues, and due to this COVID issues children may admit due to the dehydration because of the losing the appetite and not eating, so that they can get dehydrated, and the admissions due to this process we can admit the child. This is the one thing of complication for the children for admission. But according to adult, normally adults will have problem with the breathing difficulty, hypoxia for admission, but children normally we are admitting due to the dehydration. And these symptoms should be beware of parents, because normally parents who is affecting the COVID issues, COVID infection can be transmissible for the children. So we should aware of the children about the how to sanitize themselves, and like SMS, sanitize, mask, social distance should be there, because in the house we should clean every in the household with the sanitizer, and all things should be clean, and the bed sheet and the cot, everything should be clean, because the children can't touch that one. We have to teach them to avoid this touching this area, and avoid while we going outside to take the mask and the social distance. So now the third wave, the new variant is coming, so we can aware to the our society, so that new wave will affect the children more, because this new variant Delta it is more transmissible for children. So only thing we can to avoid this transmission, the vaccinate all the family members, because children after 12 years only we can get vaccinated. For the if family member is all vaccinated in the time, so the transmission for the other small children below 1 year or the above will be safe. So these things we have to think about the vaccine the first, the all family members. In the end we can tell that children can be safe if the parent or family members if he vaccinated. That's all.